Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply enter the camera app and find the timer icon. As you can see, it's right here. So now the timer is off. In order to turn it on, just tap on it once, and now we just set the 3 seconds delay, and after tapping again we can set the 10 seconds delay. So let's check how it is working. Now we've got 10 seconds delay applied, so let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Just tap on it again. Now the timer is off. Tap on it again and the 3 seconds delay. Let's tap on the shutter button and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. In order to turn off the timer, just tap on it and find this icon. And from now on your device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.